Before jumping into your screencast development, let's address a quick point that will affect the way you go about creating your screencast. Do you want a more polished, edited video? Or are you okay with something less polished and more off the cuff? The rest of this course is going to focus on making a more polished video. If you want to make a quick one-off, you can pick up some basic tips in our 9 tips to get started with screen recording course here in the TechSmith Academy. For a more polished screencast, I recommend writing a script or at least a solid outline of what you need to show and talk about. Regardless of your approach, here are a few things to think about. What content will be covered in the video? You can flesh this out with a script or an outline. Both will help you make your video more concise and precise as you focus on key steps or key points you need to cover. Next, what visuals will be shown and on screen? We'll cover more about how to figure this out in the next lesson, prepping your content. And before moving on, it may be helpful to write or have a script or outline to work with as we go through the rest of the course. If you need help with the basics of script writing, check out the basics, writing and using scripts in the TechSmith Academy. You can also download a free script template that works well for screen videos.